down, I know you got me, baby.
Halo guys, di sini I will explain here after the cost of time and example. Di sini saya Rafi Faturrahman, NIM saya 15240526 dengan kode kelas 151A07. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan apa itu adverbial clause of time. Yuk kita masuk ke materinya ya guys. Di sini ada list of contents. Yang pertama itu explanation atau bisa dibilang penjelasan. Yang kedua itu conjunction atau kata penghubung. Yang ketiga summary, ringkasan. Oke, di sini kita masuk yang pertama itu penjelasan atau explanation. An adverbial clause of time is a clause that provides time information about when an action or event occurs in a sentence. This clause usually begin with a conjunction such as when, will, as, before, after, since, until, and as soon as. Yang kedua kita masuk dengan konjungsi atau kata penghubung. Conjunction are important element in verbs that are used content word. Phrases or clause in a sentence. Their main function is to part of a sentence so that idea and information can be conveyed more clean and cohesively. Di sini kita masuk konjungsi yang pertama yaitu when. When function to indicate and random on event that occurs at the same time. Di sini saya memiliki contoh konjungsi when. Yang pertama itu I will can you when arrive. Yang kedua when the sun set the star come out. Yang ketiga itu she felt happy when she heard the good news. Di sini contoh kata penghubung kedua atau konjungsi yang kedua yang saya memiliki well. Well, fungsinya to connect to event that occurs at the same time. Contohnya itu yang pertama, he listens to music while working out at the games. Yang kedua, she was reading a book while waiting for the bus. Ini guys ya, yang udah saya tanda bawahin. Yang ketiga, we played games while it was raining outside. Contoh yang ketiga, as kata penghubung as function to connect to event that occur simultaneously or one event product along with another event. Contohnya itu as I was walking to the store, I met an old friend. Two, as the sun set, the sky turned orange. He smiled as he received the award. Contoh berikutnya ada before. Before fungsinya to state that an event occurs before another event. Contohnya yang pertama itu please finish your homework before you go out to play. Contoh yang kedua, she always washes her handle before eating. Contoh ketiga, he always has a cup of coffee before starting his day. Contoh kata penghubung berikutnya, after, functional to state that an event occurs after another event. Contohnya yang pertama, we went out coffee after the meeting. Contoh yang kedua, after he finished his work, he took a nap. Contoh yang ketiga, the celebrated after they won the championship. Sorry guys kalau suaranya agak bindeng-bindeng dikit soalnya lagi batuk pilek ya guys ya. Sorry. I'm sorry. Kita masuk contoh yang berikutnya guys ya. Since functional to state the starting point of an event that has been going on until now. Contohnya itu yang pertama, she has been working here since 2010. Since we moved to Jakarta, we've enjoyed the city life. Since you left, the office has been very quiet. Kita masuk contoh yang berikutnya guys ya. Yang contoh berikutnya itu until functional to express the time limit until an event takes place. Contohnya, she waited until the rain stopped. Contoh kedua, the kept running until the reached the finish line. Contoh yang ketiga, we won't leave until the meeting is over. Contoh berikutnya itu as soon as functional to state that an event occurs immediately after another event. Contohnya itu we left the theater as soon as the movie ended. I will can you as soon as I get home. Contoh yang terakhir, as soon as she finished her homework, she went out to play. Ringkasan atau summary adverbials of time is to help provide time context in the sentence. The usage of conjunction such as when, well as, before, after, since, until, and as soon as is important for constructing time flows. Thank you. Sekian dari saya, Raffi Fadurrahman. Segini saja yang materi saya sampaikan. Mohon maaf kalau ada salah kata. Mohon dimaafkan ya selebar-lebarnya. Oke, makasih teman-teman. Bye bye. Thank you.